Give me five. Five. Bye. Huh? Bye, Uso. Bye, Uso.
Excited, Jamil.
Why? He's gonna eat na? Dancing Uso Dancing Uso Huh? Liwat siya sa iyang amo uwagon He's happy. He's happy. He's gonna eat again.
Don't be scared. You look a bitch. You get scared.
Eating again, I gave him chicken nuggets. 2 pieces of chicken nuggets. Also is our adopted baby boy. Kay gibayaan na siya sa iyang amo.